Hey guys, this is Emma from LoomingLegends, and today I will be showing you how to make this worm. I came up with this worm because Earth Day is right around the corner. So I will also be showing you how to make the platform and the mushroom. So let's get on to the supplies you will be needing and the band count. So you will be needing a metal tipped hook or any hook that you have, a C-clip / stitch marker, and then a string and 2 6mm beads for the worm's eyes. I guess they're optional because you can't really see them in real life. And then for the band count, you can either do your worm in all one color or in 2 colors. So if you are doing one color, you would need 68 if you're doing one color total, plus an additional 2 bands for the eyes. And if you're doing 2 colors like I showed in the tutorial, you will be needing 56 of color 1. I used pastel pink, and then you will be needing 12 of color 2, and I used pearl pink. So you do not need stuffing for this design. And then if you are making the platform and the mushroom, you will be needing 11 of your mushroom color at the top. I used yellow. Then you will be needing 3 caramel bands for your stem or tan. So then you will also be needing a bunch of bands for this platform. I'm not sure exactly how many, because this is by Izzalicious Designs, the platform. That's all I have to say. Let's get on to the tutorial. Okay everybody, we will be starting off by making the worm. So we will be starting off with color 1, and I'm using pastel pink. So we want to make a magic ring of 4. So you want to wrap a band around your hook 3 times. Grab a band, slide through the cap band, reclaim, and then bring this loop over the front loop. Go back in, grab another band, slide through those 3 loops on the hook, pull through, reclaim, bring these 2 loops over the front. So you want to repeat this process 2 more times to get to 4 loops. So 1 and 2. Grab your C-clip and add it to that front loop around your hook. So we should have 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Our next round is to increase in every stitch, still using color 1, in my case pastel pink. So an increase is 2 single crochets, so you go into the stitch right here. Grab a band, slide through the first 2 loops, reclaim, then bring these 2 loops over the front. So that's a single crochet, then you want to go back in and do another single crochet to do an increase. And you want to do this all the way around to get to 8 stitches. Grab your C-clip and bring it on that front loop around your hook. So our next round is a single crochet round all the way around in C1, color 1. So I'm still using pastel pink in the 8 stitches. So a single crochet is 1 stitch of the increase. Grab your C-clip and place it on that front loop around your hook. Our next round is decreasing all the way around in color 1, pastel pink for me. I keep saying that. So a decrease is when you grab the front loop of 1 stitch and the back loop of another stitch. You grab a band, slide through these 2 loops, reclaim, and then slide. So you want to do this all the way around to get to 4 stitches. There we go. So this is our worm's head. Grab your C-clip and add to that band around your hook. Our next round is a single crochet round in color 2, so I'm using pearl pink. So we just want to single crochet all the way around in the 4 stitches. Right now I'm just trying to figure out, oh, there we go. My bands got twisted. So when you go into the stitch, you want to do a slip stitch, which is when you grab your band and slide through all 3 loops on your hook, then reclaim and slide. So that's stitch 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So now that you have this, you can grab your C-clip, place it back on, and then our next round is 3 rounds of single crochet in color 1. So I will be doing 1 round with you. So just single crocheting all the way around, and when you go here, you do want to slip stitch. Just slip stitch. So you grab that, and then continue single crocheting all the way around. So that's our first round. So you can put a band down to mark your row. So you want to pause the video here and do 2 more rounds of single crochet. Okay everybody, welcome back. You should have something that looks like this. Our next round is single crocheting all the way around in color 2. So that is the pearl pink. So again, before you start, you make sure to slip stitch to change colors because you don't want any weird stitches. So just single crocheting all the way around in the 4 stitches. And I'm sorry if I wasn't clear that the other 2 single crochet rounds were supposed to be in color 1, but it's supposed to, just so you know. These rounds are so small. There we go. So again, we want to do 3 rounds of single crochet in color 1, but remember, before you start single crocheting, make sure when you, is this a slip stitch? Make sure when you go into the stitch, you do a slip stitch like this. So pull the band through everything, reclaim and slide. So you want to pause the video here and do 3 more rounds of single crochet in color 1. Okay everybody, welcome back. You should have something that looks like this. And our next round is yet again a single crochet round in color 2. So we just want to do that. And then again, pause the video and do 3 more rounds of single crochet in color 1. Welcome back. You should have something that looks like this. You can now carefully remove your C-clip off your hook, grab 1 band in color 1 and do a decrease, so like so. Grab your band and do a slip stitch by sliding your tie-off band through everything, reclaiming, then slip knotting. Then you want to tuck this band inside your worm. Tug it. You can pull it back a bit. So now that we have something like this, all we have to do is curve the worm. So if you just scrunch it up, you can kind of shape it. So a tip for me, for you guys, is when you curve it, you see, it's very hard to see if these bands, the pearl bands, and then the middle filler, you want to bend it so the pearl bands, they kind of match. It's easier to see on this one. See, they match. So you want to do that, like so. And then add 1 slip knot on each side to curve it in. So you want to fold it, go through 1 stitch, go through the other stitch. I'm going to do this one. Then you want to grab a band, slide through, reclaim, slip knot. I know it looks weird. So you want to grab this, flip it over, and do the same thing. Grab here, here they're curved, and pull through, reclaim, and slip knot. So then you can tuck those bands inside your worm. So you can tuck them in either side. Tucking in meaning by going through the stitches, grabbing your slip knot or any band and bringing it inside your design or the creation. There we go. So now that this is curved, we want to flip it back over, push the head up, and then you want to kind of fold it back like this. So what we're going to do is we will be going through one stitch of the neck, so back here, and then one stitch of the head, right there. Grab color 1 and slip knot. There we go. So now what we want to do is tuck this slip knot inside our worm, like so. And as you can see, this is our worm. The last thing we have to do is add the eyes onto the worm. So next I will be showing you how to make the eye for the worm and how to attach it. So you want some kind of string. I'm using clear string, a 6mm bead, and a band of color 1. So what you want to do is put your band onto the string like this. Slide it to about the middle of your string, fold your string in half, and try to even the ends out as even as possible to make it easier for you once we thread the bead on. So it's looking good. There we go. Okay, so you want to grab your bead and slide it through the 2 strings and pull like so. So you want to pause the video here and make another eye. So guys, now that we made our eye, you can grab your worm. So I'm just gonna see. Okay, so we see these 2 stitches. We're gonna go into this next stitch. So right here, we're gonna go through. So grab your one end of your eye, slide it through the 2 loops, reclaim, and then slip knot. So we're going to skip those 2 stitches. So skip 1, 2, go into here. I'm actually going to go here, better. Okay, do the same thing. And then you can tuck your eye band inside of your worm's head. You don't want to tuck too tight. So you don't want your bead to accidentally go inside your creation. That would not be good. There we go. I almost tugged too tight there. And then for our other eye. If you're having trouble, you can just watch me. We're just adjusting the eyes, and I see this little bit sticking out. It's bothering me. Okay. So, I believe that is how you can make your very own worm. So next I will be showing you how to make this platform, kind of. So this platform is really great for just creations, as you can see. So what you want to do is you want to go to Izzalicious Designs channel and search her fuzzy ball. I will be linking the design in the iCard up there if you want to go click it. So what you do is you increase up to 30 stitches. Once you reach 30 stitches, you stop. She will show you how to do the whole thing all the way through. But what I will be showing you how to make is the mushrooms, because she doesn't show how to make the mushrooms because hers is a ball. So that's why I say stop at 30 stitches. Don't do any single crochet rounds after that. As you can see, it's majoritively increases. So for your mushroom, you want to make a magic ring of 5 by wrapping, yeah, I already showed you, but by wrapping a band around 3 times, sliding through the cat band, reclaiming and sliding, and going back in, grab another band, slide through the cap band, reclaim, and oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. As I was saying, go back into the cap band, grab a band, slide through those 3 loops, reclaim and slide. And you want to do this until you have a total of 5 stitches. In the cap band of this magic ring is an off-branded band. That's why I'm having a bit of trouble if you see me struggling. Okay, there we go. Grab your C-clip and add it to that front loop around your hook. Then we just want to single crochet all the way around our 5 stitches. So just watch me. You should get the gist. And there we go. So before we tie off, we want to go into the next stitch over and then tie off. Okay, that's a bit unclear. So you pull through everything, reclaim, slip knot, and then you want to flip it inside out. Then go through some of these V's right here. So as you can see, I'm just going through some of these V stitches. And then I'm going to grab my slip knot and just hide it in between these 2 V stitches. Tug it. Then you want to flip it back. There we go. Almost. Okay. There. So what we want to do is grab one triangle from one side of our mushroom. And then flip it to the other side and grab another triangle of our mushroom. And then what we want to do is chain 3 with doubled bands. So double your band, slide through those 4 bands, reclaim. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So then how you would attach it is, now actually, as you can see, the mushroom's good. There we go. We flipped it, you guys can see the mushroom. So you would want to grab a band of your color for your platform. You'd pull a band through of the color of the platform, not yellow, the color of your green platform or whatever color. You'd go through your stitch, any stitch that you want. Grab one end of the mushroom, reclaim, and slip knot. Then you tuck it inside. I suppose any color would work, but I'd prefer the color of your platform. And tug in. So there, that's how you make the little mushroom up there. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed making these worms. Please subscribe to our channel. It would really help us out a lot. And happy Earth Day. I'll see you guys later. Bye!